Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Intel graphics background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn on Intel graphics background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on start, type here settings, open settings. After click on privacy, scroll down, click on background apps. And here option Intel Graphics Command Center. So if you want to enable or turn on, so select on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on Intel Graphics Command Center on background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video is useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.